Traders, welcome to the weekly forecast. This is for all of you swingers out there. I'm not talking about bringing your partner to a party and your exchange partners. I am talking about swing trading, guys, right? Start of the week, we look at the bigger picture and we analyze which swing trades we have for this week. All right, so stay to the end of the vid and I'm going to give you every single one of my trades. Not to blow my own trumpet, but if you go back to last week's weekly forecast, you will see how well all of the trades turned out, right? They've all gone in the direction we expected, guys, except one because of New Zealand dollar interest rate decision. Before we get started, guys, as well, what did you do at the weekend? Please let us know. Leave a comment in the live chat. We want to get to know our viewers. Let us know what you've been up to at the weekend. Maybe you are a swinger in, real life and as a trader. I'm only joking. Right, let's start with our swing trades then. So, today, this week, guys, right? Well, last week, Aussie dollar was strong and pound was strong, and that was the catalyst for our trades. And this week, Aussie dollar is strong and pound is strong, plus a couple of other things we're looking at as well. We're looking at indices and gold, right? So, let's take a look at all of them, right? And with swing trading, we look at the bigger picture. Yeah, we look at the weekly chart. Intraday trading, I'm letting the day chart guide me, but swing trading, I'm going to let the weekly chart guide me, right? So, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. This is our first swing trade for the week, right? And you can clearly see, right, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we're getting higher highs and now we're getting higher lows. And if I zoom out a little bit, guys, you can see this really nice channel where price keeps on reacting, right? This trend line at the bottom here is acting as perfect support, and we've got these highs lining up as well, right? And the idea is to come back up to this last high here. So this 1111111, you know what I mean? Lots of ones and a six. We're aiming for this level here, guys. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we do need to be careful. There's a little bit of sort of daily resistance here, but I'll still sort of look for a retrace and trade into that. So that's Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. And then, like I say, Aussie dollar strength. We're looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is in a downtrend on the weekly, right? We do need to be aware of that, right? Clearly in a downtrend. But just look at those weekly candles, right? And also, guys, look at this trend line, right? Again, similar to Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we've got price keep, bouncing off of this trend line. Excuse my line, I've been drinking. I haven't really, it's too early. But yeah, just look at these candles, right? Super bullish, super bullish. It doesn't, that as a combination of two candles, it doesn't get much more bullish than that, right? But my first target is the first piece of resistance, right? So this 6,700 psychological level, you can see there's resistance in here. If we start to break through that, I'll take price higher, back up to these highs. Okay, so Aussie dollar, US dollar buys. The Aussie dollar strength continues. If we look at Euro Aussie dollar, again, on the weekly chart, this is also against trend, right? But just, this is like a very important high, and this big 1,700 level, right? And just look at that candle, right? But followed by the next candle. Yeah, we've had such a bearish reaction. But what I do like here, guys, is that this candle has broken the bottom of this candle. This suggests a continuation of this selling strength, right? And we're just going to try and take it down to this 6,424. All right, so Euro Aussie dollar, we're just going to take it a little bit lower. And you'll see that a lot of the day charts are lining up, guys, right? Yeah, we've literally just had a daily break with this one, right? This candle has broken these lows. That is a changing structure, right? This will be a lovely intraday trade too. So yeah, Euro Aussie dollar. Now we're going to look at pound strength. Let's start with pound US dollar. And before I get started, guys, with my pound trades and gold and NASDAQ. If I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and everyone please smash the like button. If you enjoy my videos and content every single day, smash the like button. Let me just mention quickly, we have got a trading community. If you would like to have a chit chat with like-minded traders, share ideas, knowledge, come join our free Discord channel. It's free, right? If you would like more than that and you would like access to my signals, you would like access to my strategies and tutorials, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers right now and deposit funds into your own trading account, you will get free access to the VIP. So check out that promotion right now as well. Pound pairs. Let's take a look at these. So weekly chart, yeah, clearly in an uptrend, right? We've got this massive bounce off of this lovely support level. Look at that, kapow, super bullish candle, right? We don't have a lot of room to move into, but I think we can take it back up to this 13,000 psychological level. All right, so pound US dollar, we are buying. All of you swingers who exchange partners and trade the higher time frames. Oh dear. Right, pound US dollar. Yeah, the next one is pound Canadian dollar. Okay, and also guys, let us know what you're looking at this week. Yeah, in the comments below this vid, let us know what you're looking at. Do you like my trade ideas? Let me know if you do, or let us know what you're looking at as well. Right, pound Canadian dollar. Yeah, again, just look at the weekly chart, right? Uptrend. Okay, look at this trend line. Yeah, it keeps being hit. Okay, this is nice support. We've got a nice bullish weekly candle bounce off of that support level. And again, like pound US dollar, we've still got a bit of room to move into. I mean, on pound Canadian dollar, that's 100 pips. Okay, so we've got 100 pips to move into. That would be our target. Pound Canadian dollar. What else are we looking at? Yeah, so we're also looking at the indices, guys, right? So you could pick any of the indices, right? They're all very bullish, like S&P. Yeah, look at that candle bouncing off the moving average 20, right? That should come back up to here, okay? Dow Jones, right? But there's no room to move in here with the Dow Jones, right? And if we go back to the S&P as well, there is a little bit of room here as well. But I prefer the NASDAQ, yeah, because we have lots more room. We look at the NASDAQ, we've got all of this room to move into. So I prefer the NASDAQ for that reason, right? We're in a uptrend, right? Yeah, we include that. Okay, we're getting higher highs, and these lows right here and this support level through here held with this candle, followed by this super bullish candle above the moving average 20, right? We can take price back up to here. So NASDAQ, any of the indices really are looking quite bullish. And then finally, guys, we got gold. We cannot talk about this week without gold hitting all-time highs, breaking a key resistance level. So let's take a look at that on the weekly chart. And that is a clean, clear break on the weekly chart with a very bullish candle, right? We were talking about this, ascending triangle that we were seeing. Yeah, and you can see that. Yeah, and then price has to go somewhere, and then bang. Buyers won this battle. Yeah, broke these highs here. Yeah, we're getting higher lows. We're in an uptrend. We want to buy gold. The problem with gold, and when trades are at all-time highs, is where do you go? You have no reference point, right? It's at all-time highs. You have no reference point. If I scrolled back, yeah, you're like, where can I go, right? And for this reason, just keep aiming for the next psychological level, right? So we're at 2,500. My next target would be 2,550. My next target would be 2,600, 2,650, 2,700. Just keep aiming for the next psychological level. So in that case, I want to retrace into this grey zone, and then I'll aim for 2,550. Okay, but gold super bullish. Okay, which is interesting really, because gold is a flight to safety, yet the indices are storming up, right? So there's that inverse correlation has broke, right? Which is interesting. So one of them's lying. There you go, guys. If you've enjoyed my weekly forecast, I hope you have. Please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button. Have a great trading week, guys, and I'll see you during the week.